tutorial on Kim Kardashian's Goth photo shoot. Kim Kardashian did this photo shoot with almost black lips, no brows, just some shimmer on the eyes and just some liner. I absolutely loved it, but I never really got around on doing a tutorial on it. So I made a face chart on top of it. So I made a face chart recreating the look. So today, can you see? Oh, I'm matching. I kind of look like the Joker. I'm so serious. Anyways, today I decided to do a tutorial on that look, and yeah, so if you want to know how to get this really different look, then please keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do is apply a base to your lids to prevent the eyeshadow from creasing, and the one I'm using is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So the first color that we're going to use is MAC's Twinks and Electra, and I'm gonna mix those two together to get this like really silverish, like taupey brown color. I'm just gonna pat that onto the lid. Then I'm gonna take MAC's Copper Plate, and with a blending brush I'm just gonna blend that into my crease, and I'm gonna go somewhat more close to my nose with the shadow, just to give that like avant-garde like shadow to the eye. Then with an even bigger blending brush, I'm just gonna make it all soft and just go higher up and blend that inner corner right here. And again, to give it that avant-garde feeling. I'm like haute couture, baby. Then with Crystal Avalanche, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone just a little bit. Then I'm going to apply some of the Twinks and the Electra to the bottom lash line as well, and I'm going about to like that part of my iris. Okay, now I'm going to take a mixing medium. You can take one from MAC, but I am going to use this LA Splash liquid eyeliner thingy, and I'm just going to put some onto the inner corner of my lower lid, and then I'm going to take Makeup Studio's Jewel Effects in Shine. This is the prettiest highlight silvery glittery color ever, so I'm going to apply that to the inner corner, and yeah. And then with the brush that you applied the Twinks and the Electra with, just kind of blend it. Now it's time for the hardest part of the entire look, which is the eyeliner. What you want to do is make a small line on your lid, and you can wing it out a bit if you like. I did just a little teeny tiny wing. But you want to take the entire eyeliner to that inner corner right here to give it almost that Arabian, like that Arabic feeling. Just to like the dark eyeliner all the way to the inner corners. For that, I'm going to use MAC's Black Track, which is just a black eyeliner, cream gel eyeliner. And I'm just going to start off with the simple line on my lid. And then I'm going to go in really thinly into the entire inner corner. You want to start thin, because once you have like a big blob of black there, you're never gonna have like that smooth line. So just start really thin. All you want to do now is put your eyes, your head like this, and just draw like a point into it and then go back in. And once you have that, of course, fill it in. You will notice that on top right now the line isn't smooth anymore, so go ahead and smooth that out. What I'm going to do now is curl my lashes with my Japanese eyelash curler and apply some mascara to the top lashes only. And once I've done that, I will be back for the dark burgundy lips. Now for the lips, Kim's lips were really matte and almost black. She had a hint of burgundy in it, and I absolutely love how she's always wearing the nude lip, and then bam, in this shoot she had dark burgundy. I love it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my lip brush. So this is the MAC 231, And this is lip mix in burgundy and lip mix in black. Now the burgundy one is absolutely amazing, but it isn't quite as opaque as it is in the pot. So this comes out a little bit lighter than it is right here. So to make it darker, I'm going to take the black, which is really opaque, so you only need a little bit of that. And I'm just going to make the perfect dark burgundy color that she was wearing, and I'm just going to apply it to my lips. And keep in mind, you want to keep it matte because that is what Kim had, but if you don't like matte, just add gloss. So this is the color it's going to be on my lips, and just take your lip brush and apply it. So I know that this is a little bit shocking, but that completes this Kim Kardashian inspired goth look. I absolutely love that she did this for once, like the dark lips, and oh, I loved it. She didn't have any brows, but if I would do that with my blonde hair, I would just look interesting. If you want a full list of every product used, go to my website, Nikkietutorials.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and for photos of the look, it's on my website as well. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.